I'm the CEO of a trading company and I don't trade anymore. I used to, like so many traders, I would spend hours analyzing charts, researching the markets, looking for trading opportunities. As the business grew, I just didn't have the time anymore. The problem was I still wanted to trade and participate in the markets. So our team built trading robots to do it for me. Since then, I haven't placed a single manual trade. And honestly, I've been a far more consistent trader since using the robots than I ever was trading on my own. And it's not just me. Millions of traders are using robots to automate their trading for them. That's what inspired me to create this free trading robot report. It'll show you exactly how trading robot works, why robots have become so popular, and how you can get a robot to trade for you too. So click the link below and I'll send you a copy for free.